How to fix iPhone battery drain after updating? In this tutorial, I'll show you several settings you can check to help improve your battery life. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General. Next, tap Background App Refresh. If it's enabled, you can turn it off completely or disable it for apps that don't need to refresh in the background. Now, go back to the main settings page and tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services and review which apps have access to your location. For apps that don't need your location, tap the app and choose Never or another option that suits your needs. You can also scroll down and check System Services. Review these settings and turn off services you don't need. Finally, check your Mail settings. Go to Settings again. Select Mail, then tap Accounts, and tap on Fetch New Data. If Push is enabled, consider turning it off and set your accounts to manual or a less frequent fetch schedule. And that's it. These steps can help reduce battery drain and improve battery life on your iPhone after updating to iOS 16 or later. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.